In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the common issue of Facebook ads payment failures all in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get your ads running smoothly again. First, you'll need to access Facebook Ads Manager. Open up your web browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager on Google. Click the link that takes you directly to the Ads Manager page. Once there, you're going to want to log in. On the top right corner, you'll see the button that says Go to Ads Manager. Click on that and you'll be directed to the login interface. Here, you'll need to securely enter your email and password associated with your Facebook account. After typing in your login credentials, click on the Login button. This will take you directly to your campaign's dashboard where you manage your ads. Once in the campaign's dashboard, look towards the top where you'll find a tab labeled Billing and Payments. Click on it and it will bring you to the section where you can manage all of your payment settings. In this section, you'll want to find and click on the part that says Payment Settings. This is crucial as this is where you'll verify and edit any payment information linked to your account. Double check your card details thoroughly. Errors in your card information are often the culprits of payment failures. Ensure that your card number, expiration date, CVV and billing address are correctly entered. If any details are inaccurate, update them as necessary. It's important to be meticulous here to avoid repeated payment rejections. In some cases, the issue may not be on your end. If you've verified all your payment information and everything seems in order, but payments are still failing, it may be time to contact your bank. Your bank might be blocking the transaction due to various security reasons, so giving them a quick call to confirm there's no issue on their part can sometimes resolve the problem. If you're still encountering issues, consider trying a different payment method altogether. In the payment settings section, you have the option to add a new payment method. Trying another credit or debit card, or even switching to an online payment service might provide the solution you need. Lastly, always ensure that your payment information is up to date. Regularly review your payment settings, especially after receiving new card details or when bank information changes. Keeping this information current is key to seamless transactions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any Facebook ad payment failure issue. Remember, it's all about ensuring precise information and being diligent with your payment setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful for you.